In this video, you're going to see how to change the sequence settings in Adobe Premiere Pro even after creating one and editing the video. Follow along with me and don't skip at any part of the video so that you can avoid confusion and errors. So let's start. Alright, after opening Adobe Premiere Pro, this is how the timeline looks. Here, go to the sequence option at the top and then choose sequence settings. From here, you can change the whichever values you want. Let's say you are converting a 16:9 aspect ratio video into 9:16, maybe 1:1 for cross posting on different platforms. At that time, you can simply change the video frame size values. If you click on the color management option, you can choose the color setup and the output color space. If in case you recorded video in HDR, especially in mobile phones, this is the option you need to take care. Don't worry, I post a dedicated video on how to export the HDR videos as well in the coming days. If in case you are watching this video a little late, go to the channel and search for that video. Maybe I already uploaded that. So there are some other options are available which you can change it according to the type of gear you recorded that particular video. Once you are done with all the changes, click on OK. That's it. Now you have successfully changed the sequence settings in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.